guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing with some fidgets, so let's get started. First I need to do one thing. Let me do it. There we go, it's all done. I have one of my auntie's dogs with me, so let's start it. So I think it's here. Let me check. Nope, it's in a big pouch today. So I'm going to play with the cubes first. I'm going to play with them. And then we'll open some. Okay, let's try to make a bridge. So this can be the ocean. Yeah, this will be the ocean. Okay, so that's the ocean. Then this could be the bridge. Yeah, because then the passengers could go. And then we could do cubes inside of a cube or this. Okay, so once you've done some amazing art with your fidgets, you will put them over there. It's an amazing art. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do my simple dimple. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't post in a few days. I was just, like struggling with my YouTube channel. So yeah, I had to take a break. But yeah, my dimple, I can't really do much with it unless I do pop, pop, stand, or these two, and that. Yeah, no, but you can do this with it. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Yeah, I know, this is new. Yeah, he hasn't seen me with my fidgets. He's a good dog. He doesn't bite or scratch. So that's what I'm doing with my simple dimple. So he's just looking at me. Now the poppets. So you can stack them, you can do what you want with them. Oh, come on, you don't need to sniff everything that I have. He's looking for food, I think. This is what so yeah. If you guys have never seen a puppet before, if you really want one, then comment down when it's your birthday, because I have £100 and I can buy a puppet for you. So yeah, I'm gonna okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pop it. Oh. He's back. The triplet. It's good. It's been raining today quite a lot, so I'm gonna do the ones popped. I think. Oh, are you hungry? I think I'm gonna give him some chicken. It's good. So he really likes these. Okay, so we went off the rails. Let's carry on. So I'm going to pop these two. So that would only be this. And then we could pop some that go in the line. So let's try. Okay, so it's probably looks messed up, but really it's good. So yeah. So that's it for the unicorn puppet. It's a rainbow. So yeah, I'll be showing you what I did with all of them later on. So yeah, guys. Okay, so we also have this circle puppet. So let's see. So I'm gonna do all the threes. You'll see what I'm doing with them after. Don't worry, guys. It looks good. So yeah. Okay, let's carry on. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then you have the rest over here. They're all threes. Ah, so cute. Is there anything missing? No, guys, I'm just seeing things. So yeah, and then we have the puzzle ball, which I'm not gonna use today because like I don't want it. I always feel like when there's something black, it'll feel nice because it looks nice. But really, you hungry again? Oh, sorry guys, that's not a part of the video, but see. So this is a triplet. If you guys can't see it, I'm so sorry because it's quite bright today. So yeah, I did triplets all the way down to that one for the circle puppet. Then for the rainbow one, I did a line all the way to that one. Then for my dimple, I have two standing and then the rest like this. And then for this one, you guys already saw this one, but I think it's called I think I should call the hair actor or something like that. I'm so sorry guys, my fingers are quite shaky today, so yeah. I think it's really nice there, so yeah. Look. I think he's hungry again. Okay guys, well, that's it for today. Well, not for today, because you can go outside and, shoot some videos. So, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.